Welcome back to another video. My name is Derek, and today we're going to be going over some of the things that you might have missed out from last week, along with some of the new things coming up this week, and any changes with MobileSentrix. So let's get started. Before we get started, those of you in Canada, prepare your business for Victoria Day. Please note that due to Victoria Day, shipping carriers will not be operating today, Monday, May 19th. Orders placed today will be shipped tomorrow, so please plan accordingly. Last Tuesday, I covered a video by iBoard Repair. He went over fixing an iPhone 15 Pro that had a RAM issue. So he went over how to do a CPU swap and a RAM swap. It was quite the intense video, so I highly recommend you check it out. Wednesday's video was extremely quick. I showed how to replace the speaker on a proximity sensor, basically anything from the iPhone 10 through the 12 Pro Max. I show how easy it can be in a very quick video on how to do it. And last but not least, I went over a video on showing how to replace the SIM card reader on an iPhone 13 Pro Max. I was replacing it with a dual SIM card reader, and out of curiosity, I have not been able to find the modifications that need to take place in order for this SIM card reader to work. So if you happen to know what modifications need to happen on a 13 Pro Max, leave them in the comments below. I'd really appreciate it. With regards to the website, there has been a price drop on the Wera tools. These screwdrivers are extremely comfortable to hold onto in the hand. You can get organizers that help you keep them in order. They're overall just a really good design. If you're looking for a good set of screwdrivers, this is definitely one of the directions I'd recommend going. Now in stock, we have over 18,000 pre-owned devices, and over 7,000 of them just got a price drop. Here's some examples of those devices and their price drops. So definitely take advantage of these devices while we still have them in stock. And if you haven't checked out the accessories for the gaming consoles, I highly recommend you do so, especially if you repair or sell them. That way you can upsell your customers on things that they might not even know they need and things that they will enjoy to have. And of course, let's talk a little bit more about the Buyback Program, where you can turn your broken screens into money. If you haven't seen it before, take a little bit of time to explore it so that you can add a little bit extra profit or calculate it into your repairs. And last but not least, now in stock, we have over 5,000 pre-owned Android devices. So take some time to browse through those different S and Note series, A series, J series, and even some Motorola and Pixel devices. Well, that pretty much wraps up today's video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If there's a particular repair that you'd like to see demoed in a video, let me know, and I'd be happy to see what I can do for you. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.